Hello everyone. I hope you are able to see the screen and everything is visible to you guys. So without any further delay, let's start it both. Let me make them public. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute and then we can start. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So if you are also facing this issue of failure reason, client error, this error you are getting that non-numeric value f found in the header line false, which we have got it from our model training session. So if you want to watch the whole session, you can always go to our live section and go to it, or you can follow our AI live bootcamp series or playlist section. So the issue was that an XgBoost algorithm cannot take any non-numeric value. Okay, and we can see like it has this false value in our train.csv file, and it should not end header line, which we have already removed. And if this has been removed, that means our model cannot accept non-numeric value in the data. Okay, so this is the error we are getting, and we now try to resolve it. Okay, so to do that, you have to go to this. Let's come to our file, and if we check to our dataset train.csv, yes, we can see there is a non-numerical value there. Okay, some false, true, false is there. So like we have to convert this true, false into 0, 1 or binary condition. Even true, false is binary, but we have to convert into a numerical format. Okay. And to do that, what we have already done it, but if you guys remember, when we are working on our file and we use the get dummies functionality here, right? So after we have dropped the unnecessary columns, then if just I add a new here, so if I just type churn, okay, it's capital. So you can see this is the final data set which you have as a churn, and now it has some values like yes, no, and like it has multiple state. And to resolve this, we have utilized this get dummy function, which will convert all this. Okay, this state ak is there, just like first one is ks. So state ks, it only that one zero value has it as a true, and rest value it has. So state ks is true, and the rest every value is false, because for the person zero, it only belongs to state case. So that's why we distributed it, so it will be easier for the our model to understand. Okay, what does it we mean by this value is true for our model, and rest of value is not true for our model. So it will be easier for our model to understand. Okay, because for to understand this numerical value, it does not make any sense for our model. Non-numerical value. Okay, so so that's why we utilize this get dummies, which will convert into this true, false, and binary function. But as we see, we are going to utilize XGBoost algorithm, so we have to convert into 0, 1 format. And to do that, we have to give it as data. Uh, we have to select data type as input. Okay. So now let me run it. And now if I check my model data, so you can see now all these true false value has been converted into like 1, 0. True has been taken as 1 and false has been taken as 0. So you can see all the values are now non-numeric. So it's perfect for our use case. Okay. So now I have to run all these again, because otherwise it will take a different input. So now it has been taken it, and now when like I am splitting the data, I have to split it again. Now, if I try to check my train data, so you can see it has 0, 1 value, same for the validation data set, and same for the test data set. Okay, it now has the non-numerical value. So I like now we should not face any issue like which we are seeing into our like when we are training our model that it cannot take non-numerical value. So now we have all numerical values only. Okay, so currently we have old train.csv file. So let's replace it and create a new train.csv file. Okay, so we have exported it. So you can see now we have a new train.csv file, and so it is old one. So let me just close these files and let me just open the new train.csv. So now you can see it has all new non-numerical values. Okay, and same for the validation.csv. Okay, so this remains fine, perfect for us. And let's upload the latest train.csv file and latest validation file. And also algorithm will also remain same. Here we have to run this cell again, like we have to set the new input. The file will, the name is remain same, just we are checking it. Okay, now we have set the input, training input object, and this is also does not anything did not change here because it is just an estimator where we are providing just mostly infrastructure related details and what are the inputs we want to provide to our model. And here we set up the hyperparameter, so no need to change it. Just the input we need to change it, changing here. So let's run it. So we again started our training job. So we should see a new training job here. So you can see it is currently in progress, and this is the new, currently it is in the starting process. So let's hope like we will get like this time our training job has been completed as we have resolved this error. So it is good that we got this error and now we are able, we know like how to get converted to like a non-numerical value. Okay, so it started. Here it is, currently it is in starting progress. We will also see here, and also you can go to, as I told in the previous video, you can go to your SageMaker service, Amazon SageMaker, and here in the training section you will find this training job, and here you can select your training job. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt, please let me know in the chat. So like it will be good for you guys as well. So currently it is in progress. So now it is gone into downloading status, means it is downloading the input data which we have already provided through this S3 input train and S3 input validation, and which we have defined here using training input object. And you can see we have provided the S3 URI that it is there in the dataset section of our model. So if we go to dataset in the inside the training, we have this train.csv. Okay, so currently downloading the data set. You can see downloading the training image. Okay, it is now downloading the training image. So what does it mean by training image? So if you see here, we have provided this image URI as container, and container we have defined here in this SageMaker.image like retrieve this XgBoost algorithm image, which is present in the ECR of this section, and we retrieve the latest image of our algorithm XgBoost. Okay, so it is currently downloading it. Let's see what's currently going on. Training image download completed. Training in progress. Now it started training our model. It's currently going on. So you can see uploading generated training model and training job has been completed. So like to check if the like whatever command or anything you have run has been completed, you will see a like a number here. Otherwise, if it is still in progress, you will see a star here. Okay. So our training job has been successfully completed. It take 108 seconds. And we, as we know, like cloud only charge for whatever we amount we have used. So we are only going to bill for 108 seconds only. So you can see uploaded generated training model. So where it is going to upload our model as whatever the path we have provided here. So we have provided the file like path in when we are constructing our estimator, that upload it to the our bucket which we have defined here like AIML, which we have defined here, right? AIML demo bootcamp. So this bucket, then inside it will create a data set. Wait, here inside it will create a model folder, and inside output it will store our model artifact. So if I go back to our like our bucket, here you can see a new folder is there, model, and inside you can see a output. So it is the previous one which we have, like this one is the previous one which we have from yesterday, because we have requested for report, so it will contain some report. And if we go to our today's one, latest one, so you can see like earlier one we have only out like only the reports because it got failed, but now it has the like different reports and also the output. So here is the our model, and to an like tar, basically a zip file is there, tar.zz. It is another format apart from .zip.r. Similarly there, this is a like a zip file for tar.gz. So here is our model is residing, and here is our profiler report. We can check it out. Mostly in the maintenance phase, we are going to, this will make a total sense to us. And this is our debug output report, and this is our profiler report in the rule section. So both the reports, you can check it here. Okay. So I hope you understand and like how we resolve this the error and what was the actual error. So our training model training has been completed with this. So make sure you like we will continue doing this project, and make sure you like this video, subscribe this video, and if you guys have any doubt or you guys facing any error, please let me know in the comment section, and make sure you share this video with your friends, colleagues, and all the juniors you guys have. Thank you so much for watching this video.